The suture between the frontal and the parietal is the coronal or frontal suture. The suture between the two parietals is the sagittal. The suture between the parietal and the occipital is lambdoid. The suture between the parietals on both sides and the temporal bone is called the squamous. The green part is the frontal bone. The yellow parts are the parietal bone. The orange in the back is the occipital bone. And then the purple bone on the side is called the temporal bone. The external acoustic meatus is the hole in the middle of the temporal bone. The styloid process is the pointy one, and the mastoid process is the blunt or larger one. The arch here that connects the temporal bone and the zygomatic bone is called the zymatic arch. This right here is the zygomatic bone. Right here is the nasal bone. The green portion on the inside of the inside of the eye, the green portion is the lacrum. The red portion, which is the medial of the eye, is the ethmoid, which can also be seen in the nasal cavity as well.
The yellow bone, butterfly-looking bone here, is called the sphenoid. The little compartment where the pituitary gland sits on is the sella turcica. The hole here in the occipital bone is called the foramen magnum. The orange compartment, or the orange thing here, is called the vomer, which is below the palatin bone, which is right here, or on the roof of your mouth, on the back of the roof of your mouth. And then I'm gonna switch. So this here is called the mandible, and this up here is called the maxilla.